Hello, welcome to this demo of the MSActivator provisioning tool. In this session, I will show you how to activate services on a device. We will focus on firewall policy on Fortinet, and I will also show you how to do configuration remediation from the device to the MSActivator. So first, let's log in to the MSActivator web portal. Select a customer, browse through the device, and here is the device I want to activate service on. So that's a Fortigate. We have the asset details here. I will use the object management console to manage security policy on the device. As you can see, we have 4 security policy defined on the device. I have some object being referenced by the security policy. As you can see here, I have addresses that are being used here. I also have services, and some of them are being used here. On the other hand, I have my device CLI, and I can do show firewall policy, and you can see that I have my 1, 2, 3, 4 policies defined here. So now let's configure a new policy on this device. So let's put it number 10. Interface, let's have 1.1. As for the address, let's pick my LAN. The destination can be internal, and the address can be all. Then I will deny my HTTP service in this policy and click on save. I can of course do other action, add other policies, and when I'm done, I just apply the configuration on the device. So right now, the MSActivator is going to connect on the device. First, it does build the configuration and pushes the configuration on the device. If the configuration fails, you will get the full detailed message from the device displayed on the MSActivator GUI. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 policies defined in the MSActivator. On the device CLI, I can now run the show firewall policy CLI, and I can see that I have my new policy defined here. So now let's do it the other way around. Let's define a new policy here and see if we can import it in the MSActivator using the configuration remediation tool. So let's edit a policy called 100, and then just to make it simple, I will just copy the exact same value as previous one, and let's show it from the GUI. So I can see that I have my 6th firewall policy with 100 as the ID, and now let's do some configuration and remediation using the synchronization button here. As you can see, it's very fast. You can preview the import, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have my firewall policy 100 that has been detected from the running configuration of the device. And if I'm okay with this, I will just confirm the import, and I have my new policy here. So now what I can do, I can change this policy using the console. and instead of my HTTP, I can have my HTTPS. So let's do that. Save it, apply the configuration. And when it's done, I will go to the device CLI, run show firewall policy, and see that my service now is my HTTPS, so I can update the configuration. So during this video, we just saw how to create a new policy, how to import existing policies on the MSActivator, and how to update policies. So as you can see, you can completely orchestrate your service deployment on device using the Object Management Console. Of course, all these actions can be done through web services. So if you have any external BSS tools, we can integrate with this, and we provide you with the web service WSDL, so you can call these from any external tool. And of course, we can also go to the device configuration change management, and we see that, of course, we have a lot of changes that have been done, but let's take the last two changes. We expect to see the change from HTTP to HTTPS, so let's run the compare. Go to the first. And as you can see, the previous one we had the policy number 10, and then we have policy number 100, which is the new one with HTTPS. So you have a very user-friendly way of monitoring your device configuration changes using the MSActivator. And as I told you in one of the other demo, we also have all the SNMP graphs that are now provided for the device. Hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. So basically, with the MSActivator, you can design object, service object, activate devices, monitor device, and then orchestrate your services on the device using the GUI. Thank you.